Andhra Pradesh, June 2017, Mathematics Paper 1, Part B. Now here, 20 questions, each carries half mark. The first question is, fundamental theorem of arithmetic is applicable to. See, fundamental theorem is like every composite number can be expressed as product of its primes. So here, the first option is correct because this is the composite number. Fundamental theorem is applicable for composite number. So here the correct option is A. Next one. Last digit of 6 power 50. 6 power any number if you take, like 6 power 1 6, 6 power 2 36. So last digit it will be always 6. So the correct option is B. Next, x is a prime number and a divisor of 60. So they are asking the prime factors of 6. Prime number and a divisor of 6. So prime factors of 6. So those are nothing but 2 and 3. See, 1 also will come, 3, 6 also will come, but they want prime. So 2, 3 is the correct option. 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 6. The correct option is C. Number of subsets of A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of subsets, the formula is like 2 power n. N is number of elements in a set. There are 4 elements. So 2 power 4, that is 16. So number of subsets is 16. So correct option is D. Point of intersection of the line with x-axis. X-axis means suppose y equals ax plus b. On x-axis the y value will be 0. So 0 equals ax plus b. So ax equals minus b. X equals minus b by a. So the point will be minus b by a comma 0. So the correct option is A. Minus b by a comma 0. Because on x-axis y value will be 0. So correct option is A. Next one. If one zero of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other. See, whenever they'll ask like based on reciprocal. So product of the zeros. See, alpha you consider as k, beta will be 1 by k. Then product of the zeros, if they are reciprocal, k into 1 by k, which is nothing but 1, k and k cancel. So alpha into beta is 1. Alpha into beta formula is C by A. C by A equals 1. So C equals A. So here the value of C is k and A value is 5. So the value of k is 5. So the correct option is B. Next one. A quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 0 and 1 0 is 4. So here they told sum of the zeros alpha plus beta, sum of whose zeros is 0 and 1 0 is 4. So it's very clear. So alpha if I'll consider as 4, okay, then beta will be 4 plus beta equals 0. So beta will be like additive inverse, which is minus 4. So alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha is 4. So if alpha is 4, beta is minus 4. So you got 2 zeros. You can use the quadratic formula x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta equals 0. Or quadratic polynomial they told, so fine. So here x square minus x into alpha is 4, beta is minus 4 plus 4 into minus 4. X square minus x into 0 plus into minus 16. So x square minus 16. So the correct option is A. Or you can do in another way. Sum is 0. So you can calculate product. Product will be 4 into minus 4, which is minus 16. So sum alpha plus beta is 0. Alpha into beta is minus 16. So here you can write this alpha plus beta is minus b by a equals 0. C by a is minus 16 by 1. So a value is here 1, b is 0, c is minus 16. So standard polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1 x square, B is 0, C is minus 16. So x square minus 16. In this way also you can calculate. Next question. The point of intersection of x is equal to 2016, y is equal to 2017. See here, x is 2016, y is 2017. So the correct option is D. I'll give one small example. Like see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now suppose this point if you will take, this is x equals 3 and this line is y equals 2. So where they'll meet at 3 comma 2. So first x value, then y value. Here x is 2016, y is 2017. So the point is 2016 comma 2017. So the correct option is D. Next, alpha beta are the roots of x square minus 10x plus 9. Then find alpha minus beta. So here to find alpha minus beta, you can do it. Factorize this from like x square minus 10x plus 9 equals 0. So x square 9 minus 9x minus 1x plus 9. X if you will take common, x minus 9, minus 1 if you will take common, x minus 9. X minus 9 into x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 9, x minus 1 equals 0, so x equals 1. So you can consider alpha or beta anything else. If alpha is 9, beta will be 1. So modulus alpha minus beta. So 9 minus 1. Modulus of 8, which is nothing but 8. Answer is 8. Correct option is B. Some students may consider alpha as 1. Beta is 9. Then alpha minus beta, that is 1 minus 9. Here 1 minus 9 is mod of minus 8. Absolute value of minus 8 is also 8 only. So the correct option is B. The number of diagonals in a polygon having n sides is, see number of diagonals, the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. So the correct option is C. This is the formula for finding the number of diagonals. For example, you can take like quadrilateral and you can check A, B, C, D. See in these 4 sides and we have 2 diagonals. You check here like 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 into 1, 2 diagonals. See, we have 2 diagonals. So this is the formula for number of diagonals, n into n minus 3 by 2. Next question. Which one of the following figures shows the quadratic equation having distinct roots? Distinct roots. Now see here, it is touching at only one point, so only one root. We'll write like 2 equal roots. Okay, when it will touch x-axis at only one point, 2 equal roots. See this graph C and D, they are not touching x-axis, so no real roots. So 2 distinct roots, this is the correct option B, because it cuts x-axis at 2 distinct points. So correct option is B. Next one. If 1 is the common root of this 2 polynomials, so first substitute in this 1, we'll get here. If 1 is the common root of these 2 ones. So here if I'll substitute 1 in the first polynomial, a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 2 equals 0. And here also if I substitute 1 square plus 1 plus b equals 0. So here I'll get a plus 2 equals 0. 2a plus 2 equals 0. 2a equals minus 2. A equals minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Next here 1 plus b equals 0. 2 plus b equals 0. B equals minus 2. They are asking a into b. A is minus 1. B is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So the correct option is A. Next one. 21st term whose first two terms. So minus 3, 4, so on. So A1 is minus 3, A2 is 4. So now A1 is nothing but A is minus 3 and common difference is A2 minus a1, which is 4 minus of minus 3. So 4 plus 3, which is 7. So we need to find 21st term, a 21, a plus 20 d. A value is minus 3 plus 20 times d value is 7. Minus 3, 20 times 7, 140. 2 sevens 14. So 140 minus 3 is 137. So 21st term is 137. Correct option is C. The common difference of the AP for which A18 minus A14 is 32. See, A18 we can write it like A plus 17D. So if I'll simplify this, A18 minus A14 is 32. A18 is A plus 17D minus A14 is A plus 13D is 32. A plus 17D minus A minus 13D is 32. A and A will get cancelled. 17 minus 13 is 4D equals 32. So D equals 32 by 4. So the common difference value is 8. So the correct option is A. Next question. In an AP, if A is 1 and AN is 20, SN is 399. So here see, sum of n terms, sum of n terms is 399. So if I'll use the second formula, n by 2 into A plus L, or you can write n by 2 into A plus, you can write here AN. L is nothing but last term, so AN also you can write. See, now if we'll substitute the values, n we need to find. A value is 1, AN is 20 equals 399. Now n by 2 into 21 equals 399. So from here n value is 399 times 2 by 21. Now 3 table or 7 table 21, sorry. 3 times 7, 3 sevens 21. 3 times 1, 3, 3. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, and here it will be like 63, 7 times 9. So n is 19 times 2, so n is 38. So the correct option is D. Next, if alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus x plus 1. See, alpha and beta are the zeros of this. So we need to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. Now see here, we will not be able to split the middle term. Because see here, like 1 into 1 is 1. With 1 and 1 will not be able to get like here 1 again. So use another method. So that is, take LCM alpha beta. Here you will get beta plus alpha. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. A and a cancel. So minus b by c. If you compare this quadratic polynomial with the standard one, you will get ABC values. A is 1, b is also 1, c is also 1. So minus 1 by 1. So the answer is minus 1. So the correct option is B. Next question. Which term of a GP is 1 by 2187? Now here, which term of a GP? Geometric progression. Now see, AN is 1 by 2187. AN is AR power n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. A is 1 by 3. We need to find R, common ratio. Common ratio is A2 by A1. A2 by A1. 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So we'll get 1 by 3. So here common 1 by 3 equals 1 by 2187. 2187, right, in terms of 3. So 3 7s, 3 2, 3 9, 3 2 4 3, 3 times 81, 3 times 27, 3 times 9, 3 times 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 by 3 whole power 7 you can write. Here 1 by 3 whole power 1. Now 1 by 3, here bases are same, 1 plus n minus 1. 1 by 3 whole power 7. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So 1 by 3 whole power n equals 1 by 3 whole power 7. So n equals, if you'll compare, n equals 7. So 7th term of the GP is 1 by 2. Correct option is C, 2187. See, this GP problem in 2021, 2022 we don't have in the portion for Telangana. GP problem. Next one. The volume of a right circular cylinder with radius 6. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. 22 by 7. Radius is 6 into 6 into height is 7. 7 and 7 cancel. So 22 into 36. 36 into 2, 72. 72 times 11. 792. Correct option is D. Next question. If a sphere of radius r, see, a sphere of radius r is inscribed, so in a cylinder, sphere of radius r is inscribed in a cylinder, exactly, then surface area of a sphere is equal to, try to find curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. But here 2 pi r h is diameter. So 2 pi r diameter you can write as 2r. 2 times 2 4. 4 pi r square. So curved surface area of cylinder is 4 pi r square, which is nothing but surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. So surface area of a sphere is curved surface area of a cylinder. So correct option is B. Next one. The maximum length of the stick that can be placed in a cuboid. So in a cuboid, see, maximum length of a stick that can be fit in a cuboid is nothing but diagonal. So diagonal of a cuboid. Diagonal formula is under root L square plus B square plus H square. So here length is 8 square plus 4 square plus 1 square. So 8 square is 64 plus 4 square is 16 plus 1. So 64 plus 16 plus 1, 70, 80, 81. So root 81 is nothing but 9 units. So correct option is B. So length of the stick that can be placed in a cuboid, maximum length, is diagonal of a cuboid. Diagonal formula is under root L square plus B square plus H square. So it is 9 units. Correct option is B.